Gentlemen, I want you to see the inspiration that brought about the idea for your aquarium. This was Wendy and Chris's aquarium. And it also came with fish, not the same kind of fish that you're going to be putting in here.
Wendy and Chris have a big surprise coming to them. They're actually going to get an aquarium with water.
84, that's a big fish tank.
This is an amazing fish tank that is hung on the wall. It only comes out 6 inches, but looks like a humongous tank. I love it. I love these little surprises.
Those are much nicer looking fish than the old ones.
Yes.
Yeah. The ceramic fish are tongue-in-cheek. They're so wrong that they shouldn't work, but they do work. You guys had a very ugly living room, and you remember your dining room, how ugly it is. I want you to take a look at your ugly dining room and see the contrast between ugly and what is not ugly.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my God! When Doug pulled the curtain back, we were shocked to see that he actually did redo our dining area. And the first thing that you get to see is the awesome fish tanks, just gorgeous. Oh, that is so cool!
God. You have a 7-foot aquarium. What do you say about a fish tank that has taxidermy chickens in it and it hasn't been cleaned in decades? You can't compare it to what they have now. This is an amazing fish tank that is hung on the wall. It only comes out 6 inches, but looks like a humongous tank. I love those little surprises.
That is unreal.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool!
It was amazing.
Wow.
That is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Having the new fish tank is just great. I love it.
And we have a dining table. We can eat at the table. Now it seems like we'll have not just poker parties, but now we can actually do dinner parties here and entertain a little bit better than just drinking beer and playing poker.
God, we have a real living room and a dining room.
Oh my gosh, I'm just shocked. Look at this place.
I was pulling your chain the whole time. I knew I was always going to do your dining room.
Oh, I'm so glad you did.
I wanted to give you guys a little wedding gift. So congratulations. I wish you guys the best on your wedding.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's gorgeous.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Appreciate it very
Enjoy.
much.
All right, well, I have to shove off. I've got to go meet up with Team Red. We've got a lot of ugly to conquer, all right?
Great, thank you, Doug.
Thank you.
welcome.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
I guess I was a little apprehensive in the beginning. I didn't really want to live here if we got married, but I don't think I'm going to have a problem with that anymore. I think that this works. Oh, it's just